Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Approximating this integral with a left Riemann sum is fast. Follow these 3 simple steps to find the correct answer quickly. First, we calculate the width of each subinterval by taking the upper bound 5 minus the lower bound 2, then dividing by 3. This gives us a width of exactly 1. Next, we identify our 3 subintervals starting from 2. Since the width is 1, our intervals are 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and finally 4 to 5. You got this. Finally, use left endpoints 2, 3, and 4. Multiplying these natural logs by the width of 1 gives option A. Boom! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, trust the given bounds, and check your steps carefully.